Today's topic for discussion is silent features of gymnosperms. Let us see the silent features of gymnosperms. The gymnosperms are commonly called as naked seeded vascular plants. The ovules are not enclosed in any ovary wall in case of gymnosperms. The ovules are freely exposed before and after fertilization. The seeds are not enclosed in a pericarp. The gymnosperms may be tree and shrubs, and mostly the gymnosperms are xerophytic in nature. Inflorescence of gymnospermic plants is mostly unisexual. The ovules lie exposed, which are open, therefore no style and stigma. Style and stigma is absent. Ovules lie on leafy structures which are called megasporophylls. The pollen grains are spherical or oval, often with a bladder-like extension of the exine. Pollination is direct. The pollen grains possesses a prothallus of 2 or more cells. One of the prothallial cell produces 2 non-motile or rarely motile spermatozoids, that is male gametes. The pollen grains are disseminated by wind. They are transferred from one place to another by wind. Pollen grains are light in weight and develop partly before their release from the pollen sac. Fertilization is effected by pollen tube. The embryo sac, that is female gametophyte, contain a tissue before fertilization which is known as rudimentary prothallus, in which 2 or more archegonia are formed. Only one embryo usually developed at maturity. The plants of the gymnospermic plants are woody, leaves evergreen with thick cuticle. Presence of thick cuticle, it is a xerophytic characteristic. Generally, 2 types of branches found in gymnosperms, that is long shoots and dwarf shoots. In gymnospermic plant, no true vessels are absent, xylem vessels are absent, and xylem parenchyma is scanty or less. Sieve plates, which is the component of phloem, sieve plates present on lateral walls. There are no sieve tubes and companion cells in gymnospermic plants. Only sieve cells and phloem parenchyma is present. Xylem is either mesarch or endarch. Next. Resin and gum canals are very common in gymnospermic plant. If you take the section of root or section of stem in several gymnospermic plant, resins and gum canals are to be seen. The leaves possesses transfusion tissue and sunken stomata. Again, presence of sunken stomata is the characteristic feature of xerophytic plant. The sporophylls aggregate to form a cone or strobilus. The cone is also known as strobilus. There is only one integument present around the ovule. This is all about the silent features of gymnospermic plants.